Here's what you'll need for this project. 1 fat quarter of fabric, we're using organic cotton sateen, pins, scissors or rotary blade, a ruler, a seam ruler, and a sewing machine. First, cut two 10.5 by 3.5 inch rectangles and a smaller 5 by 3 inch rectangle. Pin the two rectangles together, right sides facing. Stitch the larger rectangles together, right sides facing. Clip the corners and trim the seam allowance to about 1/8 of an inch and turn right side out. Tuck in the raw ends and press with an iron. Fold the strip in half and stitch the opening closed. Flip the tube so the seam is on the inside and in the middle of the rectangle. Fold the smaller rectangle in half long ways, right sides facing, and stitch together with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Turn right side out and fold in half. Stitch across the ends, securing the tube, and flip the fabric so the seam is shown only on the inside. Now you'll want to scrunch the fabric to make a bow tie shape. I promise, it's a cinch. Insert the bow tie through the hole and attach to your pup's collar. If the collar buckles on the larger side, we suggest sliding the smaller rectangle through the collar first and then add the scrunch rectangle. Get ready to say bow wow!